Welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy Brian with Mendez Detailing. Make sure you guys hit that like button and also make sure that you subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we have an Xfinity, or Infinity, not Xfinity the Wi-Fi. We have an Infinity QX30. So you guys can see the exterior of this paint here has a lot of just junk and just needs a good detail. So this is our bronze package, which is a simple and standard detail inside and out. As you guys can see, this car is a little bit dirtier than, you know, a standard basic detail. So we're gonna have to emphasize that to the client and let them know, hey, it's gonna take a little bit longer, so we need to make sure we're taking, you know, track of our time and charging for our time. You guys see the door jams, filthy, you guys. This is actually my second car of the day and it's 2:20. So let's see, hopefully I can get out of here by 5, and that's like pushing it, but I do need to take my time with these door jams and stuff like that because there seems to be a lot of tree sap and all this junk on this car from the trees. So look at this, oh man. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and start with the exterior. Whenever it's dirty like this, I just start with the exterior because look at this, you guys. This is just like, this is unbelievable. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, make it look nice and new again. You guys see the condition on this thing. I'm gonna get it looking right. Even the wiper blades up here and stuff like that need some attention. Yeah, it's gonna be some work. That's why I say 5, just because they're so dirty, right? It's just so dirty. You guys, so we just finished wrenching out the door jams, the gas cap, and the actual vehicle. All the rims and tires were also rinsed down. Now they weren't cleaned simply because we haven't cleaned them yet. So now we start cleaning. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray down the greaser all over the vehicle, all over the rims and tires. Once we're done that, I'm gonna go ahead and foam down the vehicle, work on the rims and tires as the foam just sits there, and then I'm gonna rinse it off, foam it again, then wash it, because this thing is so nasty and bad, as you guys saw. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. We're under these trees right now. Well, I'm under these trees and I'm getting bit up, man. Like these mosquitoes, man, your boy's struggling right now. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Let me know if y'all, you know, are mobile detailers and y'all struggle with anything in particular, like whether that be bugs, the heat, not having shade, whatever it is that you struggle with, comment down below. For me, it's just bugs and just mosquitoes. Like they just irritate me and I just be ready to take a shower, man. But that's just the OCD in me. So we're about to go ahead and finish up this detail and I'll just catch you guys once we're done and I'll show you guys the end results. So let's go. All right, you guys, so we have officially finished this detail. The time is currently 4:06 and we are officially done. So we have the QX30 right here. We did a very, very deep clean on the exterior. Had a lot of junk on the roof up here, so we made sure to remove it with our degreaser and our wash mitt. As you guys can kind of see on the camera, there's still a lot of defects and stuff like that on the actual cracks of the exterior. Here's a look at the trunk jam. You guys saw how dirty and filthy this thing was earlier, so we made sure to brush it down, pressure wash it off, and then wipe it clean. Vacuum the trunk also, of course. Here's the look at the back of the seats. Interior wasn't bad, just needed a quick wipe down, so we did just that. And then we did a deep carpet vacuum on these front two seats because they really needed it. So it's gonna be it for this detail here though, you guys. You guys can see that the roof is looking clean again. Client's super happy. She might actually need to go ahead and get that polished off, and probably needs a paint enhancement, honestly, but hey, what can you do? All done with this car now. Time is currently 4:08. It's time to end the day and head to the house. So hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you guys comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think on how this car turned out, the after results and stuff like that. And I appreciate you guys. Hustle never settle. Keep moving forward. Let's get it. See you guys in the next one.